Hey, thank you, bro.
He was like, what?
I wonder if he likes our Groms that much, or if it's just because it's so damn cold and we're out riding.
I think it was the decorations, man.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I think we spooked him a little bit. Whoa, look at this wheel.
Yo, that's kind of sick.
That is a sweet automobile.
Hey, thank you, sir.
What year is that from?
That's a 74.
Oh, man.
In fact, I hate to tell you, but that's my high school rig.
Oh.
And I just stuck it in my folks' garage and left it. And then I went back for it. I repainted it myself.
Yeah, it looks new.
Hey, thank you.
Looks really cool.
Yeah, she's in cherry shape. Got all original parts on it.
Oh, yeah?
Did you say cherry shape?
Just look at that.
That is cool.
Yeah, thank you.
You got it, sir. Well, you have a great day. Stay warm.
You too.
Oh, your new exhaust is great.
This is a joke.
Before, it was like I really wanted to upgrade. Now I chose to put this one back on, and I think it's... What? Somebody just yelled at us. I don't know. Maybe they're returning?
You guys, it's me, G. Welcome back to another video. Today it is freaking cold already. Oh my god, dude, this is gonna be a crazy video today. But the first thing I wanted to mention to you guys is Keith and I have literally been debating all day whether or not we should do a garage build series, and we were literally trying to plan it and like just get a whole video structured around that idea. But we just, first of all, we're not even sure if you guys want to see it, so let us know in the comments below if that's something you guys would be interested in seeing. So instead of doing that today, we're actually going to go to the post office and see if we have any fan mail. So we're going to go do that, and then after that we're going to do a couple of like rolling shots and stuff, maybe get the drone out a little bit to show you guys a little bit of the bikes while they're moving and stuff. But either way, it's a cold day and it should be cold. But dude, it's officially October. I think our bikes fit it very well.
Limone is now a spooky Limone.
And our other goal today, guys, is not to lose any of our decorations, because we are not exactly sure if it's going to stay or not. We did a pretty good job, but we'll see.
Really miss having a big bike for times like these. Giant engine kept my feet warm.
Yeah, dude, seriously.
My bike is electric.
You got to go back to plugging it into the wall?
Some of you guys might have noticed that my stock exhaust is back in my Grom. I saw a couple of comments asking why. I even had one comment ask when I'm going to get an exhaust for my Grom. Go back and watch some of the other videos. I had Yoshi, took it off because I want to get some wheelie practice in without totally annoying my neighbors 24/7. So I put the stock exhaust back on, and...
You wouldn't even know I'm here.
Seriously? We're getting so many stares, dude. Everyone's looking at our bikes now.
Oh, it is hot outside today.
Yeah, it is.
This is really funny because this is nothing, man. It is going to get so much colder.
I know.
It's like 55 degrees Fahrenheit outside right now.
There's no way. It feels way colder.
32.
Bro, it has to be colder. There's no way.
Snow starts falling at like 30, then it gets to 20.
Then death.
This is the beginning of the end.
It is. It's fun knowing you subscribers. Just a few more minutes and we'll hit the numb stage where it's not so bad.
We're going to be there in a few minutes and have to ride again after. Not going to lie, I think I'm going to buy some leggings for this winter.
Where are you going?
This way.
Okay. You got to get some like hella thick ones, bro.
Do they come in like fuzzy? I don't even care if they're like bright pink, whatever keeps me warm.
People will never understand the struggle.
You should just title this video Cold as Fuck.
Yeah, seriously, bro. It's supposed to be 87 on Wednesday. Like, what the fuck, bro? Is it Wednesday yet?
Keep going, turn here.
Turn here, turn here.
Turn in here.
Yes. Although it does feel good to be back out on the bikes again, dude. It feels like it's been a while.
It does. And I really do like riding with the stock exhaust, to be honest. It's like super buttery smooth right now.
You're also a ninja at night. Nobody has any idea you're even on.
I know. You thought I liked riding trails in the daytime.
Yeah. Maybe I should put my stock exhaust back on. Alright, dude. Well, it looks like we're here. Let's go ahead and see if we got any mail. we go, guys. I think we got all the mail we needed. Now let's go and see if we can get some nice shots of our bikes. All right, got everything? Let's go. Probably not. All right, you kind of have like somewhat of an idea of where we're going, right? Because
Yeah,
I have no idea.
Don't quote me on that.
Okay, we'll be fine. By the way, thank you guys so much for those of you that send me fan mail. I will put my P.O. box on the screen if you guys would like to join the fan mail fam.
Nice.
Fan mail fam, that's hard to say.
I don't think we've lost any of our decorations yet. That's pretty sweet.
I know, I'm surprised actually. Oh, that is weird, bro. I almost stopped because the lights aren't there anymore. That's so weird.
There's just something about this road.
This might have to be my new favorite.
It seriously reminds me of Rainbow Road from like some Nintendo 64 Mario Kart. All we need is some of those giant speed jumps and that teleporter that takes you way up to the top.
Yeah, that's all we need.
I mean, yeah.
Clearly we need way more than just that.
What, like a heated jacket?
Oh, yeah. I just got pegged by something. Is a bug even out right now? What the fuck? You might have shot a rock in my face or something.
I hope so.
Also, dude, I desperately wanted to have Gromie be a skeleton. I just couldn't find one anywhere near the size of him.
Yeah, we looked for a lot of them.
Hopefully soon. Maybe I'll get a scary bear or something. Someone had that idea. That's a good idea. Are we going left? Oh, yeah. Okay. Left only.
Let's go left here.
Wow.
Wow, look at that house.
Looks like Pablo Picasso lives there, dude.
Pablo Escobar will.
Oh, yeah. He's an artist, isn't he? Nice park job.
Alright, man, this is it. We made it.
Man, our bikes look good.
Dude, they look amazing, dude. Especially being out in the light. So much better.
Alright, are you like as cold as I am? I'm ready to head back.
I'm freezing.
Okay, I wasn't sure if that was just me.
I hit numb.
Nice. Are we going the right way?
Oh, shoot, dude. No, we're going the wrong way.
No? Okay, alright.
Oh, I got a bug in my helmet. What the heck, dude?
What? They're still alive right now?
No.
Shouldn't they have gone south for the winter with all the birds?
Yeah. Oh, shit! That second one was even closer, bro.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Okay, that was crazy. Maybe he heard me and he was like, alright, we're going south, but we're taking this kid with us. I was really glad. I mean, what would have happened if you like would have actually smacked me in the head? You think I would have went down? I mean, he was a pretty big bird.
I hope so.
Thanks, man. Thanks for that.
That was crazy. I say Frio, mate.
Yeah, if it's ever this cold again, I'm wearing pants under my pants.
And then I'm wearing pants under my pants under my pants. Next time I'm about to pull out the heated jacket, bro. Thing's been in stores for a while.
Yeah, I probably should buy one like tonight.
Yeah. Oh. At least it's not raining, dude. Could be worse.
And then if it was raining, it could be worse.
What's worse than that?
Snow.
Oh. Did you just say the S word? You're totally filming us.
Brr.
If only we had a nice warm pizza.
Oh, man. Stop.
Fuck. It's hurting me too, bro.
Another bird.
Yeah, it's okay. It's not gonna attack you.
Flashbacks, man.
Okay. Give her a nice wave. I think she likes the Grom. Oh yeah, she's taking a picture of us now.
Nice.
Get a Grom.
People probably think we're crazy for riding right now.
I know. I think we're crazy for riding right now. You know, Lamone likes the cocoa. Right now he needs that hot cocoa.
Just know that riding season never ends in Omaha, everyone. Not for real riders. What even is winterizing a bike? What do you mean?
You mean riding?
Yeah, you don't ride it in the winter? I don't understand. What? Okay, hold on. They think that they're, they're up on the
Oh my god, what is going on, bro? There's a pole right there. Oh my god.
Grom squad!
Oh, dude, I'm totally not missing this. Get in my
nice,
lane.
nice. I feel you.
Alright, this is where we lose all our decorations. You ready?
Oh! Let's go, dude.
I feel like I always yell into the mic after that. I'm sorry if I do, but it's just so fun.
So worth it. So worth it. Don't lurf.
Alright, I vote next time we go to the post office, we take a car.
Okay. What are you looking at?
Whoa.
Nice and smooth over there.
No, not at all. It's okay, we're gonna get you back home. Don't you worry.
We'll put you in the cold graft.
Don't worry, it'll be better than out here.
It's true.
Just get like heated blankets for our Groms.
Imagine. Alright guys, this is probably a good place to end today's video. We're gonna go home. It's starting to get a little bit darker out, and as soon as it gets darker, it's just gonna get even colder. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. If you guys want to see more, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell as well. Join the Most Lit Squad on YouTube, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. Yes.
Oh man, I should not have done all those leg extensions.
Thanks for the outro clip.